Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review over my Canon 7D Mark II, my camera that I bring on my charters. When I do a lot of wildlife photography and whatnot, this is the lens this is the camera I'm using, and it is paired right here. This particular lens that's on it right now is the 100 to 400 millimeter, great lens for the camera. This camera in the camera world of Canon photographers is known as a sports action. It's known as a durable. Like if I remember years ago, there was a video of a guy in a shower, had the lens cover on it, and he was a soccer player, and he was kicking it around in the shower, took it out, hooked it up, and it worked. Because they say that, like in the elements of the wildlife, when you're outside the humidity, the water, the rain, that this camera really holds up. It's a strong body. Take this off real quick. I don't want to leave that off too long because of the dust getting in there. But oh boy, it's so much lighter without that lens on there. I'm going to show you some pictures here in a minute. So my background, I want to make this clear that I am not a professional photographer. I do this on the semi-pro level as a hobby on my charters and whatnot. So when you start talking about specs on this thing, man, I'm not going to be able to tell you a lot. All I can tell you is the results that I get out of it and how I like it. As you can see, pictures speak 1,000 words, and I've always said that. So basically right now, all these pictures that you're going to look at here in a second are all pictures that were taken with this Canon 7D Mark II. For the price point, I like it. It's a durable camera. It's not a full frame. It's a crop sensor. So, but if you're taking pictures of birds and wildlife, you're going to crop those down anyhow. But as you can see right here, these pictures are great. This lens is great. You pair it with the lens that you like. People love it. This camera, I think, is known for when you watch sporting events. You'll see the photographers on the sideline with those giant, cameras and with those giant lenses and all that. I've been told a lot of them are the 7Ds, the original and the 7D Mark II. But like I said, the pictures speak 1,000 words. If you're looking for a good camera, you can't go wrong with the name Canon. Of course, it's just one of the better camera manufacturers out there, in my opinion. This thing, one thing it gets is 10 frames per second. The battery life is pretty good, and it also does video and whatnot. Now, I will say one thing about when you're doing video, it eats some battery up and it eats some memory card up. But if you're looking for a good camera that's going to take you some excellent wildlife pictures, I mean, like I said, just look at the pictures I'm taking. You're going to be really impressed with this. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.